That's the bad side of it, which that's not his fault. That's just like people being people. What is all over my mic, dude, huh? Is my mic getting gray hairs too? My mic's getting gray hairs. My mic is getting gray hairs. Worst day ever. Anyways, the good that he did. Just blow on it. Oh, I thought you were talking about the candle video still. You're talking about my mic. It's not working. Do you guys want to know what I actually do to get this stuff off my mic? Because I hate when mics are dirty. Like some streamers literally just have like decaying pizza on theirs. Oh, let me show you. Huh? The fire was totally unnecessary. The fire was 100% not necessary. I think I actually kind of burnt it a little bit. Everybody's spamming ASMR. Are we just switching over? Am I just an ASMR channel now? Hi chat, welcome to my ASMR stream. Today we're going to be cleaning the mic, okay? So just go ahead and sit back and enjoy the little mic cleaning process. We're going to just get this cleaned off, right? Just nice and clean. Nice and clean. You got to keep the mic clean so that you can eat it whenever you want. And it's up to food regulation standards. Nice and tasty right there. It's a tasty mic. Yeah, that's good. Get all those gray hairs off that thing and it's gonna taste nice and tasty, I promise. It's gonna be so good. Just let all your fears wash away. All the troubles in your life are just gonna go ahead and wash away like that tape, just pulling off those gray hairs. It's gonna be nice and tasty, nice and clean. Just like that, nice and tasty. Okay, sorry about that. Logan, rest in peace. That's 21, that's sad. That's sad. Sorry. I don't have a propane tinge in my...